So let's solve this question. Earlier we have solved this question of perfume seller. So today let's start with this question. An article bought at certain price is marked up by 3%. So markup is 3x percent. Then the discount of x percent is given on the mark price. If the profit amount is 98, and the discount amount is 1112, then find the markup price. So my markup price will be 3x percentage and the discount is x percentage. At the same time, it is given that the value of profit is 98 rupees and the discount is 1112 rupees. So the question is find the selling price. So if discount and profit is given, so let's let's solve from the same approach. Selling will be here, cost will be here, mark price will be here. So if my profit is this value, that is 98, and discount on the mark price we are giving a discount that is 112%. Okay, and the question is saying that my discount is x percentage. So okay, this discount is x percentage and markup is 3x percentage. Okay, so as far as I can think how it will be solved this question. So 1112 is the discount, right? So 1112 is nothing but m minus s upon s into 100, right? And that is x percent. M right. 1112 is m minus s, that is a discount. Mistake. My x percentage is here, m minus s is my discount. Now I'm correct, yeah. And my 3x that is profit will be, my profit will be how much? 98. Yeah, my profit is 98 given in the question, divided by the cost price into 100. So if I calculate, divide both equation, so 3 equal to, because 98 upon c divided by 1112 upon m, this will be the ratio. So my 3 will be 98 upon c into m upon 1112. So from here I can calculate m upon c value as 336 upon 98. Okay, 336 upon 98. If it divisible, let's try to, this will be 49, 118, no 168. 49 is divisible by 7. This is also divisible by 7. 7 2 is 14. Carry 2, 24. So my ratio at the end, it is m upon c that is 24 upon 7. So let's bring it here. My m is now 24. So if I write here 24k, let's take some different pen. 24k and my cost is 7k. So here the difference is how much? Difference is 15. 17. 17k. If my 17k is equal to 17k is equal to how much? 98 plus 112. 98 plus 112. So 98 plus 2 is 100. So this will be 2110 equal to 17k. And my selling price will be how much? My selling price will be, okay, so the value of my k is 2110 divided by 17. I don't think so it is divisible. So my selling price will be, multiply this with 7k. So 0, 7, 14 divided by 17 plus 98. This will be the answer. So let's try to calculate it now. 17 8 ja 136. 136 4 7 11 1110. 17 6 ja 102, carry 8. 68 12 and 7 plus 98. So according to my calculation, this should be the value of, this should be the sales value, 184.47 for this question. Okay, so after critically analyzing this question, I have made a mistake that it is written that the mark price was 3x%. So 3x% is my mark price, not my profit. So my mark price will be how much? This is my cost price and this is my mark price, and the difference will be summation of both. So here it should be 210, not 98. So this was the mistake I made, but otherwise all the approach were correct. So let's try to solve with the correct method this time. So everything will be same. My C, my S, my M. So my profit was 98, my mark was discount was 1112, and my X percent was, what is X percent? My X percent is the discount on the mark price. So X percent is discount. So how much discount I am giving? My discount is 1112 upon the cost price into 100, and then 3x will be what? 3x is what? 3x is mark price. So my cost was this much, so my mark price will be addition of both. So my mark price will be how much? What is the mark? What is the difference? That is 98 plus 112. 98 plus 112 divided by mark price, right? 3x is what? Wait, I'm making some mistake. So discount is given on the mark price, right? So that's why mark price will be here. This will be my mark price and profit will be on cost price. So I divide both the equations. So if I divide, so my 3 will be here, my this one will be becoming. So I can do one more thing. There is also a possibility which I can do. I can write my M as C plus 210. That also I can do, but for the time being, because earlier we haven't taken, so we won't do, but let's try to solve it. So here it will be 210 divided by C into M divided by 1112. So will it be divisible? So 3, this will be 70, right? And this will be how much? Will it be divisible by 1112 is divisible by 7? 7 1 just 7, 3 4 6, yeah, 1 14 7 1112, okay, 10. So from here what I can say, my C upon M, my C, one thing notice again, mistake, my C is going over here, my M is coming over here, so I am bringing this on the other side, so it will be same only. If so it will be 5 by 7, 5 by 7. So again with the same way I can rewrite over here, this will be my let's use some different pen, cost will be my 5k and my M will be 7k, and so my difference is 2k, and that 2k is nothing but 210, right? So my k will be 105. Now no, again somewhere did I made mistake or what? 5 7 let me check some calculations once again. So 77 okay, again the blunder, I am keep on making blunder. This will be 16 and then it will be 8, so here it will be 5 upon 8. So if 5 upon 8, this portion will be 8k, so my difference will be 3k, so my value will be 70. If my value is 70, my cost will be 7 5 ja 350, and this will be 7 8 ja 560. Now if I add 98, then I will be getting 448, or if I add 112 in 448, I will get 560. So the answer of this one, selling price, will be 448. So this was the mistake I was making again. So calculation part I am making more mistakes, so it's been quite long that I haven't done any revision part, so that also I will bring on any weekend or in my free days. Let's solve this question. On selling a tablet at 7% loss and a mobile phone at 18% profit, Ram gains 10-20 rupees. However, if he had sold the same tablet and the mobile phone at 4% profit and 12% profit respectively, his gain would have been 1200 rupees. So find the cost price of the mobile phone in rupees. So one thing which strikes me the first time, that is to solve this question with the help of x and y. So instead of x and y, to make the question easier, I will consider my cost price of tablet to be 100x and my mobile phone to be 100y. So in first case it is said to me that my selling price will be how much? 7% loss, so 93x plus my selling price 18% profit, 118y. Okay, Ram gains, so this is my profit. So my profit in this condition will be 18y minus 7x equal to 1020. So similarly in the other case also he would gain his profit in the second case. I won't write next again. Profit will be how much? Both at 4x profit 12y plus 4x is 1020, right? So what I need to do, I need to find out the value cost price of the mobile phone. So it's easy. I will multiply both side by 2, this side into 2, this side into 3. So eventually this will be 36y minus 21x equal to 2040. This will be 12 3 36y plus 12x equal to no, which one is letter one is 1200. So this is how a mistake I am making, 3600. So if I minus these things, these two will be cutting away and this will be 33x is equal to minus 33x will be equal to, so 1600 minus 40, right? So 1560 minus 1560. So my value of x will be 1560 upon 33. So 3 1. Okay, this is not divisible. 1650 will be divisible, but 1560 is not divisible. Okay, but with 3 it's divisible. With 3 is divisible. So no, yeah, it should be. So 3 5 yeah, 3 2 yeah 5 yeah, 520 upon 11. So now my value of x is 520 upon 11. Cost price of mobile in rupees. Mobile is y. I need to calculate the value of y. Why am I getting a feeling that I have made some mistake in the calculation part? Let's read again. 18 profit mobile, and here however same tablet and the mobile phone 12, 18 6, right? And then 7% loss, and then 4% profit, 7% loss. Okay, 4% profit, great. Cost price, that's why I took that value. So 18 2 ja. This is why I'm making mistake. 18 2 ja 36, 17 2 ja 14. Now why I took 21, 14, 20 40, and here 3 ja 26, 4 3 ja 12. So it will be 26. So this part will be 1560 upon 26. So 13 2 ja 13, 120, 260. So if my value of x is 60, so let's put on this equation 12y equal to 1200 minus x is 60, 16 to 4, 240. My value of y will be 100 minus 20. Yeah, I suppose. Yeah, not suppose, it is. So 80. So if 80, so my mobile price, cost of mobile price, CP of mobile, my mobile will be 80 into 100 will be 8000 rupees. 8000 will be answer of the question. I suppose at least this question should be correct. So let's solve the next question. CP of an article is 80% more than that of B and 40% less than C. SP of article is 10% less than that of C. If the profit on article A is 20% more than the profit of B and is 10% less than C, what is the ratio of profit Okay, this is the type of question of ratio. CP of article of A. Let's take A, B and C. Whatever the ratio is given, let's try to take. So CP of an article is 80% more than that of B. So A is 80% more than B. So let's take this one 100k. So it will be 80k, 80% more. So it will be 180k, right? 80% CP of article A is 80% more than B, and 40% CP of article A is 80% more than B and 40% less than C. So this is the CP of article A is 80% more than B and 40% less than C. So this is, I mean, this is where I've always used to get confused. It is about comparison of C is with A or with B. Let's try to read again and again. CP of article A is 80% more than B and 40% less than C. So I think because it is a comparison the comparison started from A, I think this is because of A. CP of an article is 80% more than B and 40% less than C. So if my A is 40% less than C, 40% less than C, my A is with comparison 40% less, 2 by 5 less. So how much more? 7 by 5 or 2 by 3 more, right? No. 2 by 3 more, of course 2 by 3 more. So multiplying factor 5 by 3, 5 by 3 into 180, it will be 60. So 300k. Let's try to use my same understanding. 300k. How much less? 120 upon 300. Yeah, 40. Yeah, of course 40%, correct. SP of article A is 10% less than that of C. So SP of the article A is 10% less than that of C. So SP, let's take 100y. I'm just taking any value, 100y. SP is 10% less. So 10% less will be 90y. If profit on article A is 20% more than profit on B, so my profit will be, profit on A is 20% more than profit on B. So here let's take 100z. So profit on A is 120z and 10% loss on C. Profit is 20% more than B and is less 10% less than loss on C. If the profit on A is 20% more than B and is 10% less than loss on C. So this Z is, let's take A instead of Z. So these questions are majority focus on this words. If you crack the word, it's easy to crack the question. So 10% less than A is 20% more than B, okay, and is 10% less than loss on C. 10% less, and then it's a loss. So if it's a loss, 10% loss, so then C. So if this is 10% less, right, A is 10% less or 10% less. A is less, na? So how much it will be more? 1 by 10. So 1 by 9, right? Less. This is less. So more will be 1 by 9. So 10 by 9, 10 by 9 into, yeah, multiplication factor 10 by 9, 120. 3 3 ja 40. So this value will be, but again the question said in the beginning that it is in the loss. So instead of here it will be 8 by 9. So it will be 320 y upon 3, right? Now the question, what is the ratio of profit on article B? What is the ratio of profit on article B to its CP? So my CP is already 100. My what is the ratio of profit on article B to its CP? So profit E. So the question is profit is, so for B profit is 100A divided CP is 100K. So whatever is the value of A by K, that will be my ratio. So that ratio could be we have to find from these two given ratio. So let's try to solve. And yeah, if I return profit, minus percentage will clarify that it is a loss. 180K, let's use in the next page. 180K minus, or we can utilize the space. Give me just 1 second. This is one more thing that I can do. Only handwriting selected. Now I can move. I need to find out this value. So what I can say with this one, 180K minus 90Y is 120A, right? I need to find A upon K value, so I need to remove Y value. Okay, and here 300K minus 100Y equal to minus 320Y upon 3. So just a calculation, more of a calculation this side. And to remove, wait, wow, wait, here it will be A. And to remove this Y part. Okay, then to remove the Y part, I think it's better if I just remove first of all this 10 10 10. So now that I know that there is no use of 100, so I will remove all the 0. So that would be helpful. If I remove the 0, in everything 0 will be removed. Okay, so if I multiply this value with 10, 180K minus 120A equal to 90Y, and I will multiply this value with 9, 270K plus 9, so it will be multiplied by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. A will be 90Y, so that will be equal. So I can write also 180K minus 120A will be 270K plus 96A, right? So I need to find A upon K. So my A upon K will be equal to, my A will be going that side. Let's just write one by one now. So if I'm 90K, okay, this is coming in the minus, so which means B is in the loss. But let's see, let's try. Yeah, of course it's coming in the loss form. 92216A minus sign. So my A upon K will be equal to A upon K 90 upon 216. So 15 6 are 90, 36, 3 5 are 312. So the ratio is 5:12. But again this is minus, so I'm not quite sure. I might have made some mistake also, which I need to check. So there is of course a mistake, but few things were correct, but there is a mistake in this statement when it is say if the profit on the article is 20% more than the profit on B. So if I take 100, 120, correct, and is 10% less than loss on C. So I was correct with the statement which I was confusing, that A is 80% more than B, and because this is a still comparison with A only, so 40% less than C. Similarly in this line it is said that A is 20% more than profit on B, so we have done, but then it is at 10% less than on C. So from C what actually was happening, that this is 10% less than C. So actually in the above one, what actually happened, that in the cost price 80% more than B, 80% more than B, so comparison was with B, so we did with B. 40% less than C, so comparison was with C, so we did that one. Here it is said that if the profit of article A is 20% more than B, so with B it's correct, but with C what is it, that this is a 10% loss. 10% loss, so 10% less. So from here how much it will be more, 1/10 less, so here it will be 1/9 more, 1/9 more. So I misunderstood here with loss and less. So whatever the value I am getting, that will be my loss, profit and loss, and less is depicting this 10% less. So here my value will be 10/9 into 120A, so 340. so here it should be 400A upon 3, but I made a mistake over here. So mistake in this question I have made. So this is why the answer which I got, it was here also it was wrong. Here also the answer was wrong. Here also I am getting negative value. So let's try to solve it. We understood what was the mistake in this regards, and if we correct it with 400 upon 3, we will get correct value. But there's a different way to solve also, or different approach. So let's try to solve with that one. So starting with it, CP, A, B, C, everything was correct the way I was doing. CP, SP, and the profit. So CP of article A is 80% more than that of B, so it's fine. I can write over here 100K, 180K, and then 40% less than C, so 40% less than C, so 40% less than C, so it will be 60 upon 100, 40% less C, A, right? It will be 3 upon 5, 40% less, it's 3. If 3 is equal to 180, my C will be 300, because if 3x, just take a 3x, if 3x is 180, my x is 60K, so my C will be this value. So like this also we can solve. What we need to do, instead of making it so big, what we can do, because earlier we checked that we were having issue with big numbers, calculation of big numbers. So either we can solve, it's fine, but to better in this regards, if we just make it in some it will be make it in the simplest form. So 20, I suppose everything is visible with 20, let's take it 9k, 5k and 15k. So CP is done. Let's come to the SP. SP of A is 10% less than that of C. So this one is already confirmed. So instead of taking 100, I can take 10y. So my A and C, right? The comparison, yeah, 9C. And yeah, here the last one being, if the profit of article A is 20% more than the profit on B. So on B, let's take in the beginning 100 A. So it is said that A is 20% more than B, so it will be 120A, and then 10% less than C. So 10% less than C, so C by A 10% less, so it will be 90 upon 100. Right? But what I can do either approach this way, or I can approach in this way also, because in this statement it is written that wait, it will be opposite A upon C, right? Why A upon C? Because my A is 10% less than C. My A is less. So instead of taking here, I can take 100 A here, 90 A will be this one, and then increasing is kind of easy, 20% more than B. So again, profit of A is 20% more than profit of B. So profit of A is more. That is 120 upon 100. So it will be 6 upon 5. So my 6k if equal to 90. So 5k equal to 15 into 5, 75. So it will be becoming my 75A. Now I can, if I want, then I can use I can reduce into the simplest form. That will be my suppose divisible by 5, 18A. This will be 15A. This will be 20A. So again, what I earlier did, that I need to find the profit of B on so PB, what I can say, profit on B upon cost price of B. Cost price of B will be, profit on B is how much? Profit on B is 15A. 15A divided by cost price. Cost price 15A, right? 15A upon the cost price. Cost price is 5k. So we need to find 3A upon K. This will be our answer. So for that, what I can do is, I know that either I can use earlier wala, that is 9k minus 9c equal to 18a, 9c minus 9k equal to 18a. Either I can use, okay, did I make mistake over here also? CP minus SP. So yeah, there is also mistake. Now that I said here also mistake, it was profit. If it was a profit, then here should be SP minus CP. CP minus SP equal to profit. This is wrong. SP minus CP should be there. So one more mistake I found. Here 2 mistakes. In this context, what I can do, let's take the ratio of profit, that is 18A upon 20A, and this 18A is because of which 9c minus 9k divided by this 20k. This is the loss. This loss is because of 15k minus 10y. So 9 here, it will be 2, here 2 10 ja, so 5 2 ja 3 2. So eventually my this one will be 9, not 9c, 9y. So here it will be 2y minus 2k equal to 3k minus 2y. So it will be eventually becoming this will be becoming 4y equal to 5k and I need a upon k, right? Okay, that also we can find out. So let's find out the value of y. Let's take this 20 z. Okay, 20z. So my y will be 5z and my k will be 4z. Okay, now we can solve. So here my value of k is 4z and 3a. 3a is what? 3a is what? So 18a by 6, 18a by 6, right? And 18a can be written as 9. 18a can be written as 18a can be written as, because this is a profit, so sales minus 9y minus 9k into 6. So let's put the value of y. Y is how much? 9. So 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja, that also I can do. So y equal to 5z, so 15z minus k equal to 4z, 12z divided by 8z. So eventually this will be 3z upon 8z. So my ratio is 3:5. Answer. There are many more ways to solve. From here, after finding this value, I can move to earlier one. I can solve with that approach also. So it's totally up to us, like with which way we want to solve this question. 3:8 na, why 5? 3:8. Okay, so let's solve the next question. A dealer gains 25% when he sells an article by 25% discount on the market price. If the cost price of the article increased by 35% and he still want to earn 20%, then how much percent discount he should give on the same market price? Okay, so dealer gets a 25% gain when he sells an article by 25% discounts on the market price. So dealer is gaining 25%. So if C, S and M, so my dealer gains 25%, so 100x, so it will be 125x, and then it is said that, and when he sells an article by 25% discount, so if he is giving discount 25% discount on market price, so with the giving 25% discount, I can solve in many ways. So he's selling at 75% of the market price. Selling upon market price will be 3/4. If my sales is 125, this is 125x, so my this value will be 125x into 4/3. 125 125x into 4/3. So in the ratio I can write it as 4:5 into 4/3. So just multiply everything by 3, so it will be becoming 12:15:20. So this is what the ratio of my, okay, if the cost price of the article is increased by 35%, So if my cost price is increased now 35%, so 12 into 35 100, so 35 into 2 is 70, and 350 plus 70, so 4.2, 4.2, right? 6 5 7 42, yeah, 4.2, so it will be 16.2, 16.2. Let's take everything in x. Now this is increased by 35% and he want to earn 20%, so he want to earn, still want to earn 20%, so he want to earn 20% his profit, he still want to earn 20%, so 20% he want to earn, my sales price is here na, so 20% if you want to earn, so 20% will be 3.2 3.24, right? So you want to earn 3.24, so it will be eventually becoming 19.44x. Now the question is asking by how much percent discount should he give on the same mark price. So from 20x, the markup percentage, how much he should give? He should give only 0.66, 0.54, 0.56 on 20x. So it will be 2.8% answer of this question. So the answer of this one is correct, and the thing is I need to make this much big to come to this average. So this is very alternate or very better approach, which I, of course, if I would have revised, I would have remembered. So in this question, how we can approach that? It is said that the dealer gains profit is given, mark price is given, so we always remember that there is a formula. That formula is C upon M equal to 100 minus discount upon 100 plus profit. So C upon M will be in this case how much? Discount is 25%, profit is 25%, so it will be 75 upon 125 divisible by 5, so 3 upon 5. So let's take any value of C and M. If I take any value of CM, like multiply with 100, so 300, it will be 300, my M will be 500. Now the question is saying that he want to, if the cost price is increased by 35%, he still want to earn 20%. So cost price, new cost price will be 35% if I increase, so in 100 35%, so it's 35 into 3, 35 into 105, it will be 405. 405. Now he want to earn 20% profit, so 20% profit is this will be 40.5 into 2, so it will be 81. So my cost price will be 486. Now 486, how much you should give the discount? So the discount should be 14 divided by on mark price 100 divided by 100, so it will be 2.8%. So there is always a better alternative to solve this type of question. Even though this is correct, but then again there was a lot of calculation, 19.44, 3.24, 16.2. So the better way is this one. Let's solve this question. A shopkeeper marks his goods at 60% above the cost price. He allows a discount of 12.5%. He also cheats by 28.56 while purchasing and by 18.55 while selling, and gives and gives 2 articles free on the purchase of 18 article. Find the, okay, so solution will be selling price will be cost price. So what is he doing? He is marked his cost 60% above, 60% is 3 by 5. 60% is 3 by 5. So my multiplication factor is 60% 6 by 10. So 3 by 5. So 5 3 8 by 5. 8 by 5 multiply. He also allows a discount of 12.5%. So if he is allowing a discount of 12.5%, that is 1 by 8. This discount, okay, so let's understand. So discount is his loss, right? Discount is actually a loss, and discount is the loss occurred by the discount is nothing but the loss for the shopkeeper. 1 by 8, 12.5%, 1 by 8, so it will be becoming 7 by 8 multiplication factor into. He also cheats by 28.5% while purchasing. So if he is cheating by something, then will it be his profit or loss? It will be his profit. He is cheating, he is gaining more, right? That is directly a profit. So 28.56%, 28.56 is nothing but 14.28 into 2. 14.28 is 1 by 7, so it will be 2 by 7. Multiplication factor is 9 by 7. Multiply and by 18.5% while selling. So he also cheats it now while purchasing. So while purchasing he is getting free of cost something. He is getting free while he is purchasing. But while selling, what is happening? 18.75 is 3 into 6.25. 6.25 is 1 by 1 by 16. So this is 3 by 16. So while selling, suppose he has to sell 1000, he is selling, let's just take any example, not something directly. He is selling 800 only. So while selling, if he is making the profit while selling, he also cheats 25 while purchasing and 80 while selling. So actually he is selling how much? 800 only, and he is making a profit of 200, right? So while purchasing, everything will be in the cost, but while selling, it will be different. It will be 3 by 13, and he is gaining actually. So plus 1, that is 16 by 13. 16 by 13. Now, and gives 2 articles free on the purchase of 18 articles. So if he is giving 2 articles free of cost, actually he is selling 20, in which 2 are lost. 2 upon 20, right? 2 upon 20. So 1 by 10. So his multiplication factor will be 9 by 10. 9 by 10. Now this will be my selling price. So let's just calculate everything. 8 2 ja, anything divisible? No, nothing is visible. Now my S upon C will be 9 9 ja 81. 81 into 81 into 81 into 16. So 6 carry 1. 16 8 ja 128. So 129. So 129 6 divided by the value is 650. So my selling price is this much, and my profit will be something. Profit percentage will be 646 divided by 650. So it's approximately 99%. 99 point how much percent? 4. So for 1% also, no, 99.0. No, let me think. 1% is 6.5. 1% is 6.5, and it is short by 4. No, 4, yeah. So if I add decimal, 1% is 6.5, so 0.66 percentage approximately the answer of this question. So let's solve this question. In the Diwali sale, a shopkeeper gives 4 t-shirts free with the purchase of every 10 cargo pants and 6 cargo pants free with every purchase of 16 t-shirts. Amit purchases 32 t-shirts and Abhay purchases 50 cargo pants. The percentage of discount obtained by Amit was 20%. So what was the percent discount obtained by Abhay? So shopkeeper is giving 4 t-shirt free on every 10 cargo. This is free. Okay. And 6 cargo pants free. 6 cargo pants free with every purchase of 16 t-shirts. Okay. So if you purchase 10 cargo, you will get 4 t-shirt free. If you purchase 16 t-shirt, 6 cargo free. So Amit purchases 32 t-shirts. So Amit purchased 32 t-shirts. So he will be getting 2 cargo free. Okay. And then about Abhay it is said that Abhay purchases 50 cargo pants. 50 cargo pants. So he will be getting 20 t-shirt free. So the question was in this one it is said that the percentage discount is given as 20%, and the question is asking what is the discount percentage in this one. So don't give a okay, great. Okay, so this is of the least focus as of now, so we will just keep it aside. First let's bring this Amit here and this Abhay here. So if I bring Amit here, let's bring here only. So okay, let's take my 32 t-shirt will cost 32 t and my 2 cargo will cost 2c. So 1 cargo cost 1c and 1 t-shirt will cost 1 t. So discount of 2 cargo free. So 2 cargo free divided by market price, right? 32 t plus 2c is 1/5, right? Because he is getting a discount on the market price, and in this regard the discount will be 20t divided by 50c plus 20t, right? Let's just find the value of c and t. So 10c equal to 32t plus 2c, 8c equal to 32t, so c equal to 40. This is what I got from this equation. Let's replace it. So my 22t into 100, yeah, for percentage into 100. 50c is 50 into 4, 200c. Wait, 200t plus 20t into 100. So it will be 20 upon 220 into 100. 110 will go 1/11. So 1/11 is 9.09% answer for this question, which I believe should be the answer, but it might be mid purchase 32 t-shirt and average purchase 50% t-shirt. So everything was right. There is a blunder I again make. Here is 2 cargo free 2 cargo free. This is wrong. He will not do cargo free. If you purchase 16 t-shirt, you will get 6 cargo free. So here it is 12 cargo free. This is wrong. Here I made correct. This is correct, here wrong. So I guess this is because of concentration, less concentration. So let's try to solve from where we left off, or where we made mistake, where it should be 12. So 12c upon 32c plus 12c equal to 1 by 5. So it will be 60c equal to 32c plus 12c, 48c equal to 32c. Oh, I made mistake again. T, 32t, 32t, 32t. T denotes t-shirt. So here what I have calculated till now, that is, in this one we have calculated discount as 20t. I have calculated here 20t upon 50c plus 20t into 100. So C upon T will be equal to 32 upon 48, 16 2 ja, 16 3 ja. So what I can write here is 2t equal to 3c. So 20t will be equal to 30c. So here it will be 30c upon 80c into 100. So this is nothing but 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8 in the percentage terms, it will be 1 upon 8 is 16.6 point, 1 upon 8 is 12.5. 12.5 into 3 is 37.5% answer. That's the answer of this question. This is the wrong one. So the answer of this question is 37.5%.